Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage your client meetings with Calendly, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by signing up for a Calendly account. Once logged in, navigate to the Event Types section. Click on the Create Event Type button. Select the type of meeting you wish to set up, such as one-on-one or group. Fill in the details for your event, including the name, location, and description. Set the duration of your meeting according to your needs. Adjust the availability settings to specify when you are available for meetings. Choose the time zone to ensure accurate scheduling for all participants. Customize any additional settings, such as buffer times and maximum events per day. Once all details are entered, click the Save and Close button. Next, go to the Share Your Link section. Copy the unique link generated for your event. Send this link to your clients via email or preferred communication channels. Encourage them to select a time that works for their schedule. You will receive notifications as clients book or reschedule appointments. Check the upcoming meetings on your Calendly dashboard regularly. If needed, you can integrate Calendly with your calendar applications. This helps ensure that all your appointments are synced in real time. During your client meetings, make sure to keep an agenda handy. This will help you stay organized and focused throughout the meeting. After each meeting, send a follow-up email with any necessary notes or action items. Encourage clients to provide feedback on their experience to improve future meetings. Review and adjust your availability settings regularly based on your workload. Utilizing Calendly effectively can streamline your client meeting process. Implement these steps to enhance your client interactions and improve productivity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.